Why is SaaS the popular option for delivering software? How does SaaS work? What is software as a service? What does multi-tenancy mean in the context of SaaS? How do you get started with a SaaS business? In this video, we will talk all about software as a service. One of the core principles of SaaS is multi-tenancy, which means that a single instance of the software can serve multiple users or organizations. In a SaaS model, SaaS provider hosts the software in the cloud. Users can access the software through a web browser. Software as a service is a cloud computing model in which a provider hosts applications and makes them available to users over the internet. Users don't need to worry about installing, maintaining, or updating the software.
For example, Google Workspace is a SaaS. Google provides a range of productivity and collaboration tools, including Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive, that work directly in a user's browser.
There is no need to install any software, and Google pushes updates automatically in the background while preserving data security and privacy. The end users do not need to install the software on their server. They will visit your website, sign up, and start using it. Unlike traditional software that requires a one-time purchase and installation, SaaS allows users to subscribe and use the software over the internet. The subscription fee is usually charged monthly or annually and provides ongoing access to the software for as long as the subscription is active. Let's delve into some common variations of this subscription model. First up is the freemium model. Users get a free basic version of the software with access to more advanced features provided via subscription. This plan allows users to experience the software with zero risks, potentially leading to higher conversion rates. Next, we have tiered plans. This model offers different pricing levels with varying sets of features. It caters to a wide range of users with different needs and budgets, allowing them to choose a plan that fits their requirements best. Then there's user-based pricing, where subscription costs are determined by the number of users accessing the software. It is perfect for flexibility and allows scaling up or down based on user count. Designing an effective subscription model is crucial for SaaS providers. How can you design an effective subscription model? Let's step through how to do this.
First, understand your customers' needs, usage behaviors, and willingness to pay. This knowledge is fundamental in designing a model that suits your audience. Secondly, segment your market. Customers have varying needs. By segmenting them based on criteria like usage patterns or business size, you can design offers that cater to each group. Based on customer segmentation, design different pricing plans. For example, you can segment customers like this. For individuals or freelancers, make a free tier or basic plan with basic features with limited capabilities. This often acts as a customer acquisition model, which can later be converted to a paid plan. You can create a standard or premium plan for small and medium businesses. For enterprise, you can create custom pricing. Instead of showing the price, you can ask to call for the price. Keep your pricing model simple and transparent. Burying costs or having complex pricing can deter potential customers. Finally, test and iterate. Your pricing has to be adaptable. Make changes as and when necessary based on feedback and changing market demands. Now let's talk about scalability. What is scalability? Scalability is the capability of a system, network, or process to handle a growing amount of work or its potential to expand to accommodate that growth. When starting, it's wise to avoid purchasing expensive, high-configuration cloud services. Instead, you can aim for a server to handle your current user traffic and upgrade as you grow. Next, you need also to consider the marketing of your SaaS. Here are some common marketing strategies. First, content marketing. Create blog posts, white papers, ebooks, webinars, and infographics to educate potential customers about your service. Next, optimize your content and website for search engines to increase organic traffic. This involves keyword research, link building, and technical SEO practices. Another great option to generate leads for SaaS is free trials and freemium models. Users can try your software before purchasing. You can also encourage your existing users to refer new users by providing incentives, like discounts or extra features. There are many other forms of marketing, and we will dive deeper into them in the coming videos.